How good could their right hooks be? Never wondered?
You got the hiccups, buddy? You got the hiccups?
Try both and pick a side. Twix.
You got the hiccups. I love you, baby. I love you, baby.
So using this equation we have left right here, I'm projecting that